Okay, everybody, going back to where I first saw a snake. We're hoping to see it again. I can get on video. So yeah, it's about right up there. So just gonna keep on walking until we get there. I started this too early. Should have started it now. Okay, keep walking. Almost there. Right over there. Yeah. Okay. Gonna get it. Gonna have a good time. And we're not gonna get bit by a snake. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. This isn't the territory that we have seen it. Kinda hope we don't see it a little. But I also hope we do see it a little. Kinda like a mixed feeling. I don't see anything yet. I'm gonna keep on walking. I think it's looking into all that, but yeah, stay in the middle because that's where it's the tallest. I don't see anything yet. Give me a holler if you see something. Ooh. There's a fucking snake right there. There's a fucking snake right there. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Yep, I'm leaving. I got my picture, I'm out. Hell no! I'm leaving, I'm leaving, I am leaving, I am leaving, I am leaving, I am leaving. My heart's racing right now. I am leaving, I'm